Can I receive the Facebook SMS code on a different phone number?
Hello everyone, welcome to our tutorial. Today we are discussing a very common question related to Facebook's SMS codes. Can I receive the Facebook SMS code on a different phone number? Stick around to understand how it works and what you can do about it.
What is a Facebook SMS code?
First, let's understand what the Facebook SMS code is. It's a security feature from Facebook, also known as two-factor authentication. When you try to log into your Facebook account from a new device or location, Facebook sends a numeric code to your registered phone number. You need to enter this code to verify it's really you trying to access the account.
Can I receive the SMS code on a different number?
Now, coming to our main question. Can you receive the Facebook SMS code on a different phone number? The simple answer is yes, but there are certain steps you need to follow to make this happen. The SMS code is sent to the phone number currently linked to your Facebook account. If you want to receive it on a different number, you must first change the phone number associated with your account.
How to change your phone number on Facebook?
Let's dive into how you can change your phone number on Facebook. 1. Log in to your Facebook account. 2. Navigate to Settings and Privacy, then click on Settings. 3. Click on Mobile in the left column. 4. Click Add a phone number, if you haven't added a phone number before. If you already have a phone number associated with your account, click Remove, and then add another mobile phone number. 5. Follow the on-screen instructions to verify your new phone number. After these steps, your new phone number will be the one to receive the Facebook SMS code.
Things to keep in mind.
There are some important points to remember. Ensure that the new number you're using is active and able to receive text messages. Make sure that you have access to this number in case Facebook needs to send you a security code in the future. Lastly, this is a security feature, so it's critical to use a number that's safe and secure. So that's how you can receive a Facebook SMS code on a different phone number. Remember, your security is paramount when dealing with online platforms. Keep your contact information up to date and ensure you're the only one with access to your security information. Thanks for watching, and we hope this video has been helpful. Until next time, stay safe online.